Say hi. Hi. We're practicing sitting up in my bumble. I'm not very good at it yet. No, I look kind of funny. What does she look like? Like a what?
Happy baby.
Like a happy baby? I think she looks like she's squished, like a little lump. Yeah, you look like a little lump. Yeah, you look like a little lump. Hi. Hi. Hi, Peanut. Like, Mommy, get me out of this thing. I feel ridiculous. I feel ridiculous, Mommy. I do. Oh. Oh, I'm going to snack on my hands. Goofus.